Here's some structure of DNA trivia. Subscribe. Which sugar is found in DNA? Is it A, glucose, B, deoxyribose, C, sucrose, or D, fructose? The correct answer is B, deoxyribose. Which base pairs with adenine in DNA? Is it A, thymine, B, ribose, C, adenine, or D, thymidine? The correct answer is A, thymine. What enzyme unwinds the DNA double helix? Is it A, primase, B, helicase, C, DNA polymerase, or D, ligase? The correct answer is B, helicase. What does DNA stand for? Is it A, dinosaur nucleic acid, B, double nucleotide array, C, deoxyribonucleic acid, or D, dynamic ribosomal antigen? The correct answer is C, deoxyribonucleic acid. Which process copies DNA into RNA? Is it A, transcription, B, translation, C, mutation, or D, replication? The correct answer is A, transcription. Which process involves repairing damaged DNA? Is it A, transcription, B, DNA repair, C, mutation, or D, replication? The correct answer is B, DNA repair. What is the shape of prokaryotic DNA? Is it A, linear, B, elongated, C, circular, or D, spiral? The correct answer is C, circular. Which technique separates DNA fragments? Is it A, gel electrophoresis, B, chromatography, C, PCR, or D, centrifugation? The correct answer is A, gel electrophoresis. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.